Alright, what is up? This is Marshall. Thanks for clicking on this video because I'm seriously about to show you what major SEO companies do to get their clients' websites ranked higher in Google and boost their sales. I'm not kidding when I say SEO companies charge a killing for this, and you're about to get it for freaking free. So let's get started. I'm going to come over here to Google and just search up something random. Let's go with, Savannah. Alright, we'll go with that. So you see we have some information here from Google, nothing crazy. But this first option right here is from Wikipedia. So we click on that. We're going to see all of this strong authoritative content, images, lists, entomology, distribution, threats. Down here at the bottom, we got our references, just tons of text and really detailed explanations about what the Savannah is. So Google really likes this sort of layout, which is why Wikipedia ranks first in Google for almost any word, any topic. You search it up, you see Wikipedia. So let's go over to a local listing. I'm using car detailing in Spokane as an example. And we're going to look at, our top local options. We got Spokane Auto Detail, which we can see right here. We got Sagan Auto Detailing, so on and so forth. So we come over to this free tool right here. This is WhiteSpark, completely free. You can use it. And we go to our local citation finder tool. We can see that Spokane Auto Detailing has 9 citations and Sagan only has 8. So a citation is think like a digital business card, just where your name, address, and phone number is mentioned on the internet. And the difference here is only 1 citation, and Spokane Auto Detailing is like 2 or 3 spots ahead. And that's the difference that 1 makes. So pretty significant. You can use this on your own website and figure out, where you need more citations, and that'll help boost your rankings. Now, another thing, if we come over to Spokane Auto Detailing, we can actually see that they got a little Facebook icon up here, and we'll click on that. That's going to go over to their social media page. Now, this is completely free, it's Facebook, nothing crazy, but Google absolutely loves social media accounts connected to your websites, and it will boost where you are in Google significantly. You can do this for Facebook, you can do this for Yelp, or Foursquare, Instagram, whatever it is, completely free social media accounts, nothing crazy. Let's come back over to Facebook. We can see February 10th, December 4th, November 27th. They're posting not even once a month, and it is helping them out drastically. If you did this with, 3 or 4 free social media platforms, you're going to be decimating the competition. Now, one other super important thing we need to talk about is backlinks, which is, think about a vote for your site from another website. Now, it's like a popularity contest, If you go into a new school, nobody knows who you are, but then this super popular kid's like, hey, this guy's cool. That's going to boost your rankings in Google, and that's what a good backlink is. We come over here to our backlink tool for Spokane Auto Detailing. We can see that they have 9 external backlinks from 4 different websites, while Sagan only has 1, and 1 other website pointing to them. This difference is what's putting Spokane Auto Detailing here and all the way at the top, and Sagan isn't even showing up on the list. So that is significant. When people search this, the very first thing they're going to do is look at what is on the top and click on it. And those backlinks is what's going to put them there. Now, with what I've shown you today, just through WhiteSpark, free social media accounts, some backlinks, you can use all these tools yourself and analyze your site. See, what do you need? Do you need more authoritative content? Do you need to change your format? Do you need more backlinks or citations? And you could do this yourself for completely free. Or if you want to work together and hire me, have a professional do it for you, then let's talk. Go ahead, scroll down below this email, click on that link, set up an appointment for a one-on-one strategy call. Let's analyze your site, see what's up, and get you ranking higher, getting you some more sales. All right, thanks for your time. Hope to speak to you soon.